your balcony has more potential than it seems.
Not by adding more pots on the floor, but by using the vertical space around you. With the right structure, even a small balcony can feel layered, full, and alive. In this video, you will explore 5 vertical gardening ideas designed specifically for perennials. Each one focuses on how plants grow, how they behave over time, and how they transform the overall space. A tiered plant stand creates instant structure. Instead of a flat arrangement, plants are displayed at different heights, forming a natural visual rhythm. Perennials like heuchera and sedum work especially well here. Heuchera forms dense foliage mounds with rich color variations. Sedum spreads gently and adapts well to container life. This setup allows each plant to receive better light exposure. It also prevents overcrowding, which is common in small balconies. Visually, it creates depth. The eye moves from one level to another, making the space feel larger than it actually is. A vertical trellis transforms an empty wall into a growing surface. It gives climbing or upright perennials a clear direction to grow. Salvia is a strong choice for this method. Its vertical flower spikes naturally follow the structure, creating height without taking floor space. Climbing perennials can also be trained along the trellis. Over time, they soften the wall and introduce a layered green backdrop. This approach adds both function and calmness. A bare wall becomes a living element that changes gradually with each season. Wall pockets bring plants closer to eye level. They turn a plain vertical surface into a textured planting display. Perennial herbs adapt well to this setup. They stay compact and remain easy to maintain. Ferns are another ideal option. Their soft, arching fronds create a gentle contrast against structured containers. This method works well for balconies with limited floor space. It keeps the ground area open while still adding greenery. The result feels light and breathable. Greenery is present, but not overwhelming. A palette garden introduces a more rustic and natural character. It works as both a planting system and a visual feature. Perennials with shallow root systems adapt best here. They settle into the compact spaces and gradually fill the gaps. Over time, the palette becomes less visible. The plants take over, creating a dense vertical patch of foliage. This setup suits a relaxed, organic style. It feels less formal, but still intentional. It also encourages reuse of materials, adding a practical layer to the design. Balcony railings are often overlooked, but they offer one of the best opportunities for vertical planting. Trailing perennials work especially well in this position. They naturally spill over the edge, softening the boundary of the balcony. This creates a visual connection between your space and the outside environment. The plants extend outward rather than staying contained. It also improves light access. Plants positioned on the railing receive more consistent sunlight. The overall effect is subtle but powerful. The balcony feels more integrated with its surroundings. Vertical gardening is not just about saving space. It is about guiding how plants grow and how the space feels over time. By using height, layers, and structure, even a small balcony can feel complete and balanced. Each method offers a different experience. Some add order, others bring softness, and some create a natural flow. Start with one approach that fits your space. Then allow the plants to develop gradually. Because in the end, a well-designed balcony is not built instantly. It grows, just like the plants within it.